Yes. Hello class. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to do what if analysis using Excel. Uh, as you can see here, we have a spreadsheet file for retreat center rental, right? We have a reservation fee, which is a flat fee, $230, and the price per person is $14.50, right? And how many guests we can hold if we have budget for $500, for example, right? So how we do that in Excel? So I'm gonna go to, this is called ribbon. Let's go to the data ribbon, right? I'm gonna go to what if analysis and goal seeking, right? When you go to goal seeking, we want to set this value, which is the budget value, to $500. Let's say that we have $500, right? If we want to change the budget, is $500, and what is the number of guests we can have, right? So we're gonna click this one, okay? So you need to go what if analysis and set to the budget, right? Set the cell of the budget to the value 500, and we look for the number of guests, and then press enter. Boom. Now we can find out, right? The number of guests is 18 person, right? So if we have 18 person, then the budget, then it will fit to 500 budget. Although it show 18.6 in the Excel spreadsheet, however, we cannot have half person, right? So this is so we round it down to 18%, right? So if we have 18%, then it will fit to the budget. Let's say that our budget, let's do one more time. Let's say that the goal seeking, this one, we want to change the value to 1,000. Let's say that we have $1,000, right? How many number of guests we can hold, right? Help. So I'm gonna click this one, right? So set the value of this budget to 1,000, and how many number of guests we can help, and then we're gonna press OK. Boom, there we go. Now we're gonna have up to 53%, right? 53%. All right, so this is basically what if analysis using Excel, right? I want to show you this one so you can understand how to use these features in Excel, right? Be sure you enter the formula there. You see the formula, right? The formula is the reservation fee, which is a flat fee, $230, plus the number, the price per person, which is $14.50, and multiply by this, how many number of guests. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.